We have two side shrouds, cable managers, and a fixed segment cable manager. So the first step is to remove the shrouds by pulling away from the arm. And you do the same with the cable manager of the fixed segment. You just pull sideways and open it up. Once you have your side shrouds, you snap your cables into the slot. And then you allow a little bit of slack from the front of the cable manager to the monitor, and then you snap it in place. You take the second cable manager, same thing, run your cable through the snap, allow for a little bit of slack. You take your fixed segment cable manager and you got to make sure that the cables flip over, so they go like this. And then you snap them into the cable manager like this. And you have to allow for a certain amount of slack as well. And once you have your cables like this, you can go and engage them in the middle cable manager.